Chinese scientists have developed a nuclear battery which can run without charging for about 50 years. This innovative technology uses radioactive isotopes. The first time such a thing has been made approachable for general purpose. This achievement of China has left behind the efforts of British and American companies, which were trying to bring similar products in the market for many years. The rise of this nuclear-powered battery raises question for everyday devices, especially devices like smartphones. Can this battery free future generations from frequent charging of devices? Welcome to Simple Technology channel. Today we will explore a revolutionary nuclear-powered battery BB100 developed by Chinese scientists. We will understand the intricacies of this innovative technology, examine its potential application, and uncover the working of its amazing capabilities. The use of nuclear batteries has an important role in releasing of radioactive substances, which may increase the concern of many men. But it is important for us to recognize that these substances are ultimately effective energy sources. One of these is a radiation source, whose half-life is often more than 100 years, which means that these batteries can be used without replacement for 50 years. The idea of nuclear batteries is not entirely new. In 1950s, the US Atomic Energy Commission or AEC began developing radioisotopic thermoelectric generators. Furthermore, in the field of medical science, nuclear batteries were used using isotopes such as plutonium-238. These batteries have long been used to provide power for pacemakers, cardiac defibrillation, and other devices. If you look at the BB100, it is a remarkable achievement of nuclear batteries technology developed by Betavolt technology in Beijing, which is smaller than the size of a coin. Despite its compact size, the BB100 claims to produce a powerful power output of 100 microwatts while operating at just 3 volts. However, its more notable feature is the 50-year lifespan, which makes it approachable without the need for any charging. Part 1. How does this little miracle work? Before we delve into the topic, let us first understand one important element: isotopic technology. It is used to refer to a special form of different isotopes which have different number of neutrons. BB100 relies on nickel-63 isotope and diamond semiconductor material. Nickel-63 isotope is a specific isotope that produces beta particles when broken. These fast-moving electrons act like tiny bullets, which runs through the semiconductor materials and generates electricity in the process. You can think of this as a tiny solar panel, but they are produced by the nuclear decay. What makes the BB100 different is that it works robustly even in the harsh conditions. It is engineered to function in the temperature ranging from the scorching heat of 120 degrees Celsius to the freezing cold of minus 60 degrees Celsius. Additionally, it is safe against the punctures and even gunshots. Where different isotopes emit different type of radiation during the decay, the BB100 comes under the category of the beta-voltic devices, which means it uses semiconductor junction to directly convert the energy from beta particles generated by the radioactive sources into electric current. In the case of BB100, beta particles produced during the growth of nickel-63 are directed directly into the diamond semiconductors, creating an electric field that produces electrical energy when connected to the circuit. Part 2. A journey through time. This story is not just about fancy gadgets. It's about solving problems we all are facing. As our devices and technology become more modern, we want them to last longer, and regular batteries just do not last. The idea of using nuclear power for batteries is not new. It dates back to 1930 when the scientist named Henry Moseley suggested it. The BB100 we are talking about here uses the metal called nickel-63 to generate its energy. This metal remains strong for over 100 years, ensuring that the BB100 battery can be smart and unique way to keep it going for up to 50 years. Part 3. Empowering the future. Now let's imagine the possible applications of this revolutionary technology. According to Betavolt technology, the BB100 has the potential to change the way we use devices. Where you can imagine a smartphone that never needs to charge, or the drone that can fly for months and can easily monitor remote areas. Apart from this, its ability to work in extreme conditions can open the world of many possibilities. Have you ever wondered about the deep-sea sensors that have been collecting vital data from the decades? Or have you ever considered taking advantage of the powerhouse that can keep satellites active for a long time? This technology can provide a new energy source to important devices, which will help in keeping them active for longer time, and thus can bring a unique transformation in our lives. It is clear that this is not just a story of gadget. This is the bold step to improve our future, which can also have a deep impact on healthcare, environmental monitoring, and space exploration. Part 4. Addressing the skeptics. When we discuss nuclear technology, doubts naturally arises. Is it really safe? And is BB100 really necessary? The truth is, BB100 emits less radiation while in use and remains safely contained inside the battery. Additionally, while conventional batteries may be sufficient for many applications, the BB100 offers unmatched longevity and compactness, making it indefensible for certain needs. Its ability to power devices for decades without the need for the replacement makes it a game changer in various fields. Part 5. Resolving challenges. Like any groundbreaking innovations, the BB100 is not without challenges. If this new technology is to be adapted, it is necessary to bring regulations for its proper use and disposal. Although the BB100 has incredible promises, there are also some legitimate concerns and hurdles. Safety and control of nuclear materials, radiation protections, and ensuring battery performance while minimizing potential radiation damages to semiconductors are among the major challenges under the discussion. Additionally, increasing the lifespan of nuclear batteries also increases recycling concerns, especially in the applications such as deep-sea beacons. It will be important to address these challenges and effectively integrate BB100 into industries and applications while ensuring its safety and impact. Part 6. Other nuclear technologies. In the race for the advanced nuclear batteries, two major players are ahead. City Labs in the Team USA and BB100 in Team China. Both brings their unique approaches. City Labs represent USA choosing a safer option with tritium isotopes, a bit like a friend who really gets sick. However, like many good things, these may not be the most environmentally friendly option. On the other hand, BB100 representing China uses nickel-63 isotope, which can be harmlessly recycled into copper. We can think of it as a friend who likes recycling but is more prone to catching cold. So who comes on top? This is not so easy to say. Both batteries have their advantages and disadvantages. From the USA point of view, their batteries are much safer and easier to maintain, but they are less eco-friendly. While Chinese batteries are more eco-friendly, they still needed to be handled with caution due to radiation risk. It's like choosing between two friends where the first friend is always healthy but is untidy and the second one recycles everything but gets sick sometimes. This competition is beneficial because it motivates both the team to strive to improve safety, efficiency, and environmental impact. Ultimately, the best battery will depend on what matters the most, safety or stability. However, whatever the outcome, the future of short and long-life nuclear batteries look promising. Part 7. Beyond Batteries, China's Nuclear Energy Initiative. While BB100 batteries are making headlines, they are just one aspect of China's ambitious nuclear efforts. The recently launched 4th-generation powerhouse, the Shid-1 reactor, underlines the China's dedication to making nuclear technology cleaner and more efficient. This modular wonder also boasts of enhanced fuel efficiency, improved economics, highlighted safety measures, and minimized environmental impact. This is an important component of China's goal of generating 10% electricity from the nuclear sources by 2035 and 18% by 2060, which will take them toward the green future. However, achieving these objectives comes with own challenges because China's target in 2020 was to achieve 58 gigawatts nuclear capacity, which they could not achieve. The main reason for this was the inability to navigate the regulatory processes, some public concern, and the approval required for nuclear power projects. Despite all these obstacles, pioneering technologies like the BV100 and SHID-1 reactors demonstrate China's commitment to providing a glance of powered future. We are committed to keeping you in this step with the ever-evolving world of science and technology. So as we move forward, let us continue to explore what lies ahead. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of nuclear technology and its potential impact on our future. If you find this video useful and are eager to delve deeper into the fascinating world of the science and technology, please don't forget to like this video. Your support motivates us to create more informative and practical content. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for regular updates on the various topics, from the latest breakthroughs in the technologies to emerging discussions. Until then, keep exploring and stay curious.